So there is a smarter way to get better at DaVinci Resolve and Fusion, and it starts with finding the specific answers that you're looking for. So a lot of people, and including myself, end up going to YouTube or Reddit when they have a specific problem, but sometimes you'll find your answer and sometimes you won't. And I have found a lot of answers on Reddit, but there's nothing more frustrating than going to a place that you're used to finding answers for and not finding the answer that you're looking for. So maybe your timeline is a mess, your colors aren't landing, and Fusion just feels like a foreign language perhaps, because that's how it felt for me when I was first starting. When I was first starting Fusion, like, man, I wanted to avoid it like the plague. I'm the type of person that gets stressed out when there's a lot on screen. So when I saw like all the different UI and all the different buttons and stuff, it just wasn't happening for me. So I get it. I've been there. I know what that feels like, but the difference is that now I have 15 years of video production under my belt. A lot of it is really, really good. And I even started with Adobe. I've spent 12 of those years in the Adobe ecosystem actually. So I know what I'm talking about when I say that I do or don't like this specific thing, or I do or don't like that other specific thing. But I feel like I know Resolve better than I ever knew Adobe, if that makes sense. It was just one of those things where it was like, when I found it, it was like, where have you been my whole life? So now I use Resolve every day, and it's powerful if you know how to use it right. And this is where I want to make it possible for you to be able to use Resolve right. Because in my one-on-one coaching lessons for Resolve and my one-on-one tutoring, we focus on you, your footage, your goals, your real-world challenges. And no, it's not another course. It's not another video for you to watch. It's real-time solving your problems together. I'm on a call with you, you're on a call with me. We're looking at your footage. Perhaps we've shared proxies of the same footage, so we're working with the same thing if you have access to that. It's your project to solve together in real time. Just because it's nice to be able to ask questions to a human being and not a robot. There's nothing I hate more than getting on the phone with a question for some company and I just get the runaround with a bunch of robots. I hate that. And I know a lot of people trying to learn these softwares do as well. So I want to be able to be that outlet for somebody who has a real question to ask to a real human being. So if you feel like you're having a hard time just getting up to speed, learning the basics, whether you're a YouTuber or a freelancer or just somebody trying to make your projects look really good, or maybe you're switching from Adobe to Resolve, this 1 hour coaching session is for you. It cuts through the noise. You're going to leave with a better workflow, clearer tools, and confidence in your edit. So check out my website, book your session now, and let's make Resolve work for you.